Welcome to room 502 on the 5th floor here at Homewood Suites in St. Augustine, Florida, built along the San Sebastian River, just a half-a-mile walk from historic downtown. Our choice of room 502 was intentional because it's situated at the end of the hall and boasts panoramic views of the river and surrounding areas. This is an adjoining room, so that's the door you see on the left. Let's get to the best part first, the views. From this room, you can see the San Sebastian River and the salt marsh below, as well as the Hidden Harbor Marina to the left. More on the views later. This studio suite features 2 Serta Dream beds with 3 pillows each, ensuring a restful sleep. The room is designed with an open floor plan and includes a 49-inch flat-screen smart TV. One unique feature is the option to use the Hilton app on your phone as a remote, adding convenience to your stay. The TV is also capable of swiveling, allowing you to adjust it based on your preferred viewing angle. Additional comforts include drawers below the TV, a comfortable armchair with an ottoman that you can use as a footrest, and blackout curtains. Relaxation takes a whole new meaning when you sit on the sofa and take in the riverside scenery just outside your window. There's a full-size mirror by the kitchen area, and there's a recycling and regular trash can. A work desk with adjustable lamp, an ergonomic chair, and convenient electric outlets ensure that you have a nice setup if you do have to get some work done. The suite also offers a well-equipped kitchenette, complete with a dishwasher, a coffee maker with coffee and tea options, a sink, a 2-burner cooktop, and paper towels. The cabinet holds plates, bowls, drinking glasses, and mugs. On the other side, you will find silverware, a cutting board, and a pot holder if you decide to utilize the pots and pans provided in the bottom cabinet. In addition, a toaster is available for your convenience. Here's the fridge and freezer for storing your drinks and your groceries. The bed side table includes a radio alarm and conveniently placed plugs and the hotel room phone. Moving on to the bathroom, you'll appreciate the granite countertop vanity with bright lighting. A unique touch is the attached lotion bottle on the wall. The shower is clean and stocked with environmentally friendly shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Note that this room features a bathtub instead of a walk-in shower. Across from the vanity is a cabinet for your clothes, a luggage rack, an ironing board, and extra sheets and pillows should you need them. I'll leave you with the captivating views offered by this room. You can even see the 312 bridge, which connects to Anastasia Island. If you haven't seen my Homewood Suites hotel tour and all the amenities, check out that video next. Until next time, my name is Grace Joy. See you in the next one.